Hi guys, this is Juliana with vlog 21 and I can't believe it, but it's already 19, episode 19. Time really flies when you're having fun, right? Well, when I started out with the vlog 21, I called it 21 because this is the number of days that usually it takes to adapt to a new habit. But I can say that after 19 days already, I feel so adopted, and I adopted already to this new habit of making those videos so quickly. But I guess it's because I enjoy making them, and like everything that you enjoy doing, it does not take so much effort to get used to it, right? Whereas something you don't really like doing and you need to implement that as something new in your life, then it really is hard to get used to it, I guess. Like dieting or quitting to smoke or whatever. But I really enjoy those videos, making them at least, and when I started out with the vlog 21, I did not really have any plan for the videos, so they came on a random um basis actually. So they came randomly. The topics I have not chosen them in advance. There was only clear the big picture and the commitment that I committed 21 days making them. Those videos, but the plan was not really like structured. So I was only going to talk about self-development and self-care, self-improvement, and that was the big picture. But the plan actually developed randomly, and that was good because like this I could talk about things people were interested in, or what I observed that people might need right now in that moment, or what I also needed. So that's a good thing, and tomorrow I'm gonna be out with vlog number 20 already. I'm really happy that I still have 2 more days to go, and after that I'm gonna continue with the vlog, not on a daily basis though, but I'm still gonna make some more videos. I'm sure about that. So take care, and I see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.